In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best Fiverr discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and search for Fiverr discount codes. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com, and as you can see right here, we have a list of different type of promo codes. For example, if you want to get this one with 10% discount off your next order, simply tap on this promotion right here, and as you can see, the promo code is showing up right here. You can tap on the copy button to copy the promo code, and you can apply this one on your next purchase to get this 10% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called simplycodes.com, and as you can see right here, you also have some promo codes. For example, if you want to use this 10% discount right here, simply tap on the option to copy code, and this is the promo code right here. You can use this one and you can apply the promo code on your next purchase to get the 10% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.